Video 13.4, Pergolesi's Stabat Mater. The Stabat Mater is, at least for sacred music, the masterpiece of Pergolesi. All the patterns that he learned as a young boy, as a teenager, as a young adult at the conservatory, are in the Stabat Mater. For example, here is what is a printer with a dominant pedal point. In other words, there's a 5 in the scale under a large printer, a printer whose tenor voice goes up a step, down a third, up a step, down a third, etc., etc. Now, it comes at the end of the final movement, and it goes by very quickly. So there's quite a bit of preparatory work before it occurs. It's a big moment, although it passes very quickly. As mentioned, it's the big moment before the Amen at the very end. Similarly, the schemes of La Folia and the Fonte figure prominently in the first movement of the Stabat Mater. Now, it's for a very small orchestra and 2 soloists, and that ensemble has been boiled down to 2 staves here by an 18th century edition of the Stabat Mater published in Denmark with Danish text. This is just an indication of how popular and important this was all across Europe. What's shown above the staff is the exercise on La Folia that occurred in Cimarosa's notebook when he was 12 or 13 years old. And you can map it very easily onto Pergolesi's Stabat Mater, the opening section. Here, the bass clef and staff superimposed over the Pergolesi is from Mozart's early F major minuet. The point being that just as Cimarosa's notebook contains the same La Folia schema that Pergolesi inserted for the beginning of this piece, so Mozart's early work contains the same fonte schema, the one step lower minor to major sequence that worked so well here for Pergolesi. So there are conventional materials all over the place in this work, but they are presented brilliantly.